Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May the peace, blessing, and mercy of God be upon you. In this video, we'll solve Computer Science Paper 1, AS, May, June 2021, Variant 2. In the previous video, we solved the first 3 questions. Today, we'll go to solve question number 4 and 5. The table shows parts of the instruction set of the processor. The processor has one general purpose register, which is the accumulator register and index register. We have these instructions, code, load, and as an immediate addressing, direct addressing, and so on. The current contents of the main memory and selected values from the ASCII character set are. Give me some instructions with addresses. ASCII code for A, B, and C and D from 65 up to 68. Complete the trace table for the program currently in the main memory when following characters are input A and D. You just input A and D. Don't trace the program any further when the third input is required. Okay. Let's put these 2 pages beside each other. Okay. Yes, that's it. Okay. In the first instruction, 17, so the accumulator with the instruction address will be 70. In the 70, he has in. In is the character A, is the first character, which is 65. So it will be 65. Then 71, compare with 165 with 100 have 68. So it is not allowed. So 72 will not do anything. 73 compare with 101. 73 compare with 101. It have 65. So 74 will be jump to 76. So we'll jump to 76. In 76, he load the accumulator content in 102. So in 102, in 76, we will the accumulator will have 102, which is 100. So we write in the accumulator 100. Increment accumulator in 77. So it's 77. It will be 101. 78 store in 102. So 78 will store this accumulator in 102, which is 101. Okay. 79. 79, he will jump to 70. So we'll go to 70. 70 has in the second input is D, which is 68. Okay. And 71 compare with 100. 71 compare with 100, which is true as 100 have 68. So it's true. So in 72, we'll go to 72, which 72 jump to 80. So we'll jump to 80. In 80, we'll load the 102. 102 have 101. So we'll load 101. Then in 81, he will decrement accumulator, so 101 become 100. And in 82, he stored this value in 82. he stored this value in 102, so 102 will be 100. In 83, he jumped to 70, so 70 will be an optional because he just give me 2 inputs and tell me that we don't need to go to the third input. So this is our trace table. B, some bit manipulation instructions are shown in the table, and he gave me the and or and XOR. Be sure that or be noted that hash for numbers, and these are addresses. Okay. The content of the memory address 300. So this is the address 300 are shown. Bit number 300 011001110. Okay. The content of memory address 300 represent an unsigned binary integer. Write the binary value for the unsigned binary integer in the memory address 300. So we write our table 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and 128. We'll collect this 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 64 plus 32, which is 96, plus 4, which was 100, plus 2, which is 102. So the binary value will be 102. Okay. Double I, an assembly language program needs to test if the bit number 2, which is this in memory address 300 is 1. So to be this one have all these values will be zeros and ANDed with this to be 1. So we'll AND with hashtag 4, which is this, to be 1. An assembly language program needs to set the numbers 4, 5, 6, and 7 to 0. You need these bits to be 0, but keep bits from 0 to 3 with their existing value. This have to be with existing value. This is 15. 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 15. So we will AND it 15 with this number. This will make all this will be zeros, and this will be this one and this one, and this will be zeros. So it give me the required. So we'll AND hash 15. Okay. Fine. Go to next question 5. Says use a computer for work. Complete the following description of internal components of computer by writing the missing term. The what transmit a signal to coordinate events based on an electronic pulse of the electronic pulse always from the clock. So the control unit is transmit the signals to coordinate events based on the electronic pulse of the clock. The what carries data to the component, the data bus. While the carries the address bus. Where needed to be written to or read from. Okay. The what performs mathematical operations and the logical operation, arithmetic and logical unit, arithmetical and logic unit, ALU. Describe the ways in which the following factors can affect the performance of his laptop computer: number of cores, and clock speed. We know that in each clock speed, each core will execute one instruction. So when we have a number of cores, so in one pulse, we have many instructions to be executed. So the number of code, let's write this like each core processes one instruction per clock pulse. So when we have many cores, that means many instructions per clock pulse, which lead to decrease time to perform a task. Okay. Clock speed. Clock speed is how many pulses per second. So as faster clock speed, as more instruction will be executed in the fetch execute cycle. So each instruction is executed in a clock pulse. So if our more clock pulses per second lead to execute more instructions per second, which make the execution of task become faster. Okay. Number C said access both software and data clouding using clouding computing. Give two benefits of storing data using cloud computing, and give two drawbacks of using cloud computing. As we said many times before, when we talk about the advantage and disadvantage or the benefits and drawbacks of cloud, just think on the internet. So as a benefits, he can access his software and data anywhere or from anywhere at any time, 24/7. Let us, between bracket, have internet connection. Another feature that there is no need to buy extra storage space or storage devices. You can buy storage space from the cloud. storage devices, which will make it cheap. On the other hand, as a drawbacks, the internet connection have to be allowed to communicate with data. And some security issues become over data. Moreover, he will lose control over his data maintainability or maintenance. Okay. Number D, draw one line from each term to its most appropriate description. Public IP, private IP, dynamic IP, and static IP. Public IP is visible for any device over the internet, so it is visible to any device. Private IP just within our LAN, so it is only visible to devices within the local area network. Dynamic IP, it will be a new one each time, so a new one is reallocated each time a device connects to the internet. And lastly, static IP, which doesn't change, so it doesn't change each time a device connects to the internet. Okay, number 6, we will do it in the next video. You can find link in description. Our channel need your support by like and share. Thanks for watching. See you next video.